guys, I'm actually running right now, and I don't work out. Maybe we can do a back shot, yeah? So people.
Hey! Oh.
It is another episode of
It's the Maui Cow Show.
Maui Cow Show.
Maui Cow KO Show.
Maui Cow. It is just after 7 a.m. We got our coffee.
You can tell we're amped.
I haven't even started on my coffee. This is just cracked.
Oh my god.
Oh, look.
Late
as always.
Hi.
Late as always.
Nice to meet you.
I can't tell you guys what. It's a secret. Whoa. Look at that beauty. The waves ripping right now. Look at that view. So we're gonna go all the way to the corner there where all the naked people stay. What an amazing morning. And then we got Allie. This is the first location. We're gonna put Farinn right here. Don't forget, guys, subscribe to onlyfarinn.com.
Oh, did you know my job is the professional oil sprayer?
Honestly, I feel like you could make some money doing it.
I have so many guys in my DM wanting to do it for free.
Oh my god.
I feel like there's a lot of guys that would pay Crystal to spray oil on them.
So the cool thing about this oil spray is after we're done, we're gonna catch a pig and then use it to cook. Look at that. Guys, leave a comment in the comment section below what she should put on this arm. Because this side is already almost done. Octopus on this side is good.
On this side, but it fits perfectly on this side.
It does. Octopus right here.
Ooh, I love
Like taco. I think this side, huh? Subscribe. This is for the OnlyFarins page.
Without the shirt and the flowers, just imagine.
Subscribe. Next up, we have Allie. I'm gonna put you against the rocks. So you're gonna kind of use it, keep doing your thing. Yep, beautiful. Lovely. Nice. Cross that over a little more. Yes. Point the toe. Yeah, beautiful. Love it. Yep, there you go. Gorgeous. Gonna get in a little closer. Now. There you go. Whoa, that's crazy. Ooh, you're gonna love this. Nice. Let's go with 2 hands in the hair. Yep, perfect. Let's get one hand higher than the other. Yes, beautiful. That left elbow down. Yep, perfect. Gorgeous. And then let's cross that left hand all the way over to the other side of your hips, your waist. Yep. Yeah, yes. Perfect. Love it. And then from your hips, you're just gonna bend forward a tiny bit. And then I'm gonna do one over the shoulder. And then be kind of close. Yeah, perfect. Love it. Yes. Beautiful. Love it. Nice. These ones, I don't even have to edit, so.
Sweet.
The color's already good.
That actually is really good.
Right?
Oh my god. So
Yeah!
oblivious.
Yeah! With the rocks.
Such a nerd. I'm like,
Man, I'm doing all the work here. Oh. Look at that beautiful rain.
Thank you.
I saw a bird. Oh, look at Val. There's Jenn and Kane. They're too far right now, but through the magic of editing, they are gonna appear in 3, 2, 1. Hey!
Time to party now. I brought the tequila. Let's go. No, I'm just kidding. I couldn't.
I'm feeling these.
My tatas?
Those shades though.
Yo, these shades, man. Pulling it down.
Hey, here we are. I think I can hold the GoPro and kind of shoot a little BTS. I wasn't gonna do anything for you guys, but I gotta do a little bit just because it's the Oh, and speaking of the this girl is the
you're so nice.
Follow the link below. Yeah, an amazing photographer. She makes the whole island jealous with her skills. No, people are always talking about you. Check out Kane. This is the gold man.
Hey, what's up, folks?
That's the goal. old man.
All right, how we looking? Oh shit. Ooh, I love that. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. 1, 2, 3. Here's some water. Gorgeous. Love it. Yes, the eyebrow. Yes. Beautiful. And then just hover a little bit. Yeah. Okay, go ahead, relax. All right, next we're gonna be shooting on these steps. These steps lead to my $30 million house. Farinn, you're gonna show the tattoo side. Val, you're gonna put your knees this way. Perfect. Yes, that's perfect. Oh, this is so good, you guys. Hey, you guys, you're doing so good. I love the fake laughs. Hey, what do you guys call a Jamaican who can only see far? A Rastafari. Chilling, moving a little bit.
Nice second half. I can't tip it out to you. And you. Bye, bitches.
Damn. Professional right here. Right here. That's one of my houses over there. Hey Kane, I hope I don't make you feel embarrassed. Take off my shirt.
Yo, man, this guy's flexing.
This would be fun. Rocky area. So we just wrapped. We got Val here.
Hi.
She just got out of prison a week ago.
I know, just a week ago for murder.
And then we have Farinn right down here. Yeah, killed it as usual.
That's why I was in prison.
And then we got these two lovely ladies. Hey, you guys almost kind of matching, like hair color, swimsuit color. Yeah. Yeah. And then, so this is Crystal, you guys already know. This is Allie.
Hi.
Everybody's link's gonna be down below.
Yeah.
Check them out.
Check it out.
And that is officially a wrap. Do you guys see the naked people behind me? Yeah. So, yeah, check it out. All right. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys next week.